Hello friends! Today we are going to sort words based on the vowel sound O. The vowel O has two sounds, the long sound O and the short sound O. Let's look at some of these words. Are you ready to sort them with me? Owl, owl. That's a short sound. Oval, oval. It's the long sound O, oval. Oak, oak. That's a oak leaf. And oak has the long sound O. Orange, orange. Orange has the short vowel sound O, orange. Oars, oars. Oars has the long sound O, oars. Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. Ostrich, ostrich. It has the short sound O, ostrich. That was fantastic, my friends. Now let's look at some of these pictures and sort them in the short and long vowel sounds. Are you ready? Here's the first one. That's a block, block. It has the short sound block. I know what that is. A top, top. It has the short sound O, top. That looks like a boat. Boat has the long sound boat. Did you hear that? That's a fork, fork. I again hear the long O sound, fork. That looks like a soup bowl, bowl. Bowl has the long sound O, bowl. That's a sock, sock. Sock has the short sound, sock. Hose, hose. It has the long sound hose. That's nose, which rhymes with hose. Yes, it has the long sound. That's a pot. Pot has the short sound O. Pot. That's a mop. Mop. It again has the short sound O. Mop. That was amazing, friends. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. Bye, friends.